This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a high-protein meal. First, understand that protein is crucial for your body, helping repair tissues and keeping your energy stable throughout the day. Creating these meals does not need to be complicated. It is about making smart choices with readily available ingredients. You will discover how to incorporate powerful protein sources into your daily routine, enhancing your overall well-being. This approach makes healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. When selecting your protein, prioritize lean options such as boneless, skinless chicken breast, or wild-caught salmon. Aim for about 4 to 6 ounces, or roughly 110 to 170 grams, per serving to meet your needs. Incorporating plant-based proteins like black beans or quinoa can add fiber and different nutrients. Remember, variety is key to getting a wide spectrum of amino acids and micronutrients. A truly high-protein meal is also a balanced meal, meaning you will pair your protein with nutrient-dense sides. Think about filling half your plate with vibrant, non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers. Then, allocate about 1/4 of your plate to a complex carbohydrate, such as a small baked sweet potato or a half cup of cooked brown rice. This combination ensures sustained energy and a full spectrum of nutrients. Cooking high-protein meals does not require complicated techniques or hours in the kitchen. Simple methods like baking chicken or salmon at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes work wonderfully. Sautéing your favorite vegetables in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil takes just 5 to 7 minutes. Consider using an air fryer for a crispy texture with less oil, making your cooking process even more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.